Hello, so today we are going to discuss the French verb être. It's the most common of the French verbs. It is used with adjectives, nouns, and adverbs to describe a temporary or permanent state of being. Être is also used to describe someone's profession. Join me and my friends as we explore the uses of the French verb être.
Bonjour. As we all know, auxiliary verb is a very important word in the English dictionary as it forms tenses and mood in a sentence. And the same goes for its counterpart in French, which is être, or it means to be. So for this part, I'm going to tackle two among those verbs être, and these are nous sommes and on est. So these two verbs are basically the same, which means we are. However, we can distinguish the difference because nous sommes is used in a formal setting and on est is used in an informal setting. So for example, nous sommes allés au cinéma, which means we went to the movies. So, and another example is on est content de te voir, which means we are pleased to meet you. So as you can notice in the first example, nous sommes allés au cinéma. We use nous sommes because we are talking to a stranger or we are talking to a person other than us or with an authority. And on est content de te voir, we use on est because we are talking to a newfound friend or a colleague. So as you can notice, for nous sommes, it basically means that we are adding po and opo in a sentence, and on it, we're just talking to a friend or like to a person the same age as ours. So yeah, so that's the concept. That's the basic concept of those two verbs, nous sommes and on est. Merci.
I am going to talk about the auxiliary verb elles sont and ils sont. Both elles sont and ils sont means they are. The only difference between them is that ils sont is used to point out a group of boys, while elles sont is used for a group of girls. Ils sont is also used when there is a difference between the genders. So for example, let's say the group that you are pointing out to has 10% boys and 90% girls. You still have to use ils sont for that. An example sentence for this auxiliary verb is ils sont mes amis or elles sont mes amis. It means they are my friends.
Il est, or in English, he is. You can use these words in a sentence. For example, il est grand, or in English, he is tall. And the other word is elle est, or in English is she is. You can use these words in a sentence like elle est beau, or in English is she is beautiful.
Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Pisette. Today I'm going to teach all of you about verb être. Basically I'm going to pick up on the two, je suis and tu es. I am and you are. So I'm going to give an example. Je suis Cambodian. I am Cambodian. Tu es étudiant. You are a student. Merci.